Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Quick Launch in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. First of all, open your settings and in search of settings write Quick. Okay. Search, and from the list need choose Ultra Snapshot option, so click it. And here we got three options, so off, open camera and take a snapshot. Maybe open camera. So, and now when we double press the volume down button, camera is open, so let's try. Okay, it blocked my phone, so let's try one more time. Okay, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.